One accident. One moment of distraction, and suddenly you're staring at a $15,000 repair bill. But here's the thing most teens don't know about auto insurance. It's not just about following the law. It could be the difference between a minor inconvenience and financial disaster.
I'm your instructor from Nevada Drive Academy, and today we're breaking down everything you need to know about auto insurance. Just the facts that could save you thousands. What is auto insurance?
Let's start simple. Auto insurance is basically a safety net for when things go wrong on the road. It covers four main things: vehicle repairs, medical bills, legal expenses, and protection from theft or disasters. Without it, that fender bender could cost you $8,000. A serious accident? Try $50,000 or more.
That's why Nevada, like most states, requires you to carry liability insurance at minimum. It's not optional.
Type of coverage breakdown. Let's start with liability insurance. This covers damage you cause to other people and their property. Keyword here, others. If you rear-end someone, liability pays for their car and their medical bills. But your car, your injuries, not covered. Now, what if the other driver doesn't have insurance or doesn't have enough? That's where uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage comes in. This protects you when the other guy can't pay. Collision coverage. This coverage is for damage to your vehicle resulting from a crash, regardless of who is at fault. It provides for repair of the damage to your vehicle or a monetary payment to compensate you for your loss. Comprehensive covers everything except crashes, theft, fire, floods, vandalism, and even hitting a deer. Basically, if it's not a collision with another vehicle, comprehensive has you covered. Medical payments, or Medpay, covers medical costs for you and your passengers, regardless of who caused the accident. It even covers you if you're hit as a pedestrian. Now let's talk deductibles. This trips up a lot of people. Your deductible is what you pay before insurance kicks in. So if your Subaru needs $6,500 in repairs and you have a $1,000 deductible, you pay the first $1,000, insurance covers the remaining $5,500. Here's the trade-off. Lower deductible means higher monthly payments. Higher deductible means lower monthly payments, but more out-of-pocket if you crash. Nevada requirements as of 2025. These numbers can change. Your insurance agent can advise you what the state minimum requirements are at the time you are looking for coverage. Nevada requires minimum liability coverage of $25,000 per person, $50,000 per accident for injuries, and $20,000 for property damage. Let's drill down on what exactly this all means. Nevada minimum liability coverage breakdown: 25, 50, 20. $25,000 per person for bodily injury. This is the maximum amount your insurance will pay for injuries to one person in an accident you caused. $50,000 per accident for bodily injury. This is the total amount your insurance will pay for all injuries if multiple people are hurt in the same accident, regardless of how many people were injured. $20,000 per accident for property damage. This covers damage you cause to someone else's property, like their car, fence, building, or streetlight. Whichever coverage you choose, you will pay a monthly premium or payment to the insurance company. Is state minimum auto insurance enough? Why, it's cheaper, but more risky. Yes, minimum coverage is the most cost-effective option. But if you're in a serious crash, it may not be enough. Guess what? Anything beyond your policy limit, you pay out of pocket. Higher coverage equals more protection. Want to protect your own vehicle from crashes, theft, fire, or floods? Then you'll need collision and comprehensive coverage. So what's the smart move? State minimum is legal, but not always enough. If you can, bump up your liability limits. Add collision and comprehensive for peace of mind. Now, if you're financing or leasing, full coverage is almost always required by the lender, so you will not have the option to go with state minimums.
What if you're paying cash?
If you're buying a car with cash, only liability insurance may be required to register the vehicle. However, dealers still expect proof of insurance before allowing you to drive away, even for cash deals.
This video is part of our car insurance series from Nevada Drive Academy. In the next video episode, we'll show you how to shop for car insurance like a pro, what to watch out for, how to compare quotes, and which common myths to ignore. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss it.